Welcome to my maths class, 7th class maths. The triangle and its properties. The angle sum property of a triangle. That is, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the angles of a triangle, angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now we will justify this statement. Let us take a triangle A, B, C and let this be angle 1 and this be angle 2 and this be angle 3. Extend the side BC and this is the exterior angle at C. Exterior angle at the angle 4. But exterior, according to exterior angle property, angle 4 is equal to sum of the other two interior angles. Therefore, the sum of the angles of a triangle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Angle 4 plus angle 3. Angle 4 and angle 3 are a linear pair. Therefore, their sum is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. That is, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. By angle sum property, find x in this triangle. We know that x plus 30 plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x plus 30 plus 80, 110 is equal to 180 degrees. Or x is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 70 degrees. Find x in the following figures. Here, x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. From the angle sum property, x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. Or x plus 110 is equal to 180. Or x is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. Therefore, x is equal to 70 degrees. And in this figure, this angle is 30 degrees and this is a right angle, 90 degrees. If we write like this, it is 90 degrees and this is x. Therefore, 90 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 90 plus 30, 120 plus x is equal to 180 degrees, or x is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, here this angle is 60 degrees. And here 110 plus 30, 140. 140 plus x is equal to 180. 140 plus x is equal to 180, or x is equal to 180 minus 140, that is 40 degrees. And here it is right angle, 90 degrees. 2x plus x. So sum of the angles 2x plus x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Or 2x plus x is 3x. 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. Or 3x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90. 3x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 by 3, that is 30. X is equal to 30. Therefore, this angle is equal to 30 and this is 2 into 30, 60 degrees. Next, here, three angles are equal, x. Therefore, x plus x plus x, 3x is equal to 180 degrees, or x is equal to 180 by x, that is 180 by 3, that is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Here x plus 50. X plus 50 is equal to 180. 2x plus 50 is equal to 180, or 2x is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130, or x is equal to 130 by 2 is equal to 65. Therefore x is equal to 65 degrees. This is also 65 degrees. Therefore 65 plus 65 plus 50. 65 plus 65, 130 plus 50, which is equal to 180. Therefore it is correct. X is equal to 65. Another x is 65. This is 50. Find the values of x and y. In the first figure, x 50, y and the exterior angle. Here the exterior angle is 120. Therefore, according to exterior angle property, 120 is equal to sum of the interior angles, sum of the remote interior angles. Therefore, 120 is equal to 50 plus x, or 120 minus 50 is equal to x, or 70 is equal to x, or x is equal to 70. Therefore, x is equal to 70. Then, according to the angle sum property, 50 plus 70 plus y, 50 plus 70 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, this is 120 plus y is equal to 180, or y is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degrees. So, y is equal to 60 degrees. Next, coming to this figure, here these two are vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Therefore, y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 80 degrees. And from the angle sum property, x plus 80 plus 50. X plus 80 plus 50. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 130 is equal to 180 degrees, or x is equal to 180 degrees minus 130, that is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degrees, y is equal to 80 degrees. Next, in this figure, here x is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angles. Therefore, x is equal to 50 plus 60, that is 110. And x and y are the linear pair. Their sum is 180. Therefore, 110 plus dash is equal plus y is equal to 180. As they are linear pair, their sum is 180 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees. Thus, x is equal to 110 degrees, that is the exterior angle, which is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. And x and y are the linear pair, their sum is 180 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degrees. Find the values of x and y in these figures. Here, x is opposite to 60. Therefore, they are vertically opposite angles equal. X is equal to 60. Next, according to angle sum property, 30 plus 60 plus y. 30 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Or y is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, y is equal to 90 degrees. Here in this figure, y is equal to 90, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, y is equal to 90. Next, angle sum property, x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Or 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Or 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. And x is equal to 90 by 2, that is equal to 45. Therefore, Each of this angle is 45 degrees. 45, 45, 90, 180 degrees. Next, in this figure, here this angle is y and this angle is x. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, y is equal to x. And here also x, this angle is vertically opposite to x. Therefore, this is x. And this is also equal to x. All the three are equal to x. X plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180 degrees, or x is equal to 180 by 3, which is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, equilateral triangle. All the three angles are equal to 60 degrees. Now we will discuss some facts here. Number 1, can we have a triangle with two right angles? With two right angles. Right angle means 90 degrees. With two right angles sum is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. But if two angles is 180 degrees, where is the value for third angle? Therefore, it is not possible. No. We cannot have a triangle with two right angles, only one right angle. Can you have a triangle with two obtuse angles? Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degrees. Two obtuse angles sum is greater than 180 degrees. Therefore, no chance for the third angle. Therefore, no angle can have two obtuse angles. Can you have a triangle with two acute angles? Two acute angles. Okay, it can. Two acute angles. Can you have a triangle with all the three greater than 60 degrees? If all the three angles are equal to 60 degrees, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. If they are greater than 60 degrees, it exceeds 180 degrees. Therefore, we cannot have a triangle whose angles are greater than 60 degrees. So, no, we cannot. Next, can you have all the three angles equal to 60 degrees? Yes, if all the three angles are equal to 60 degrees, the sum is 180 degrees. So, we can have a triangle, all the three angles are equal to 60 degrees, which is an equilateral triangle. Yes. Next, can you have a triangle with all three angles less than 60? If all the three angles are less than 60, the sum is less than 180. So it is not possible. Therefore, we cannot have an angle, a triangle whose three angles are less than 60. It is not possible.